Yeah, these are really beefy subs and the pressure on them, man. Yeah, for a triple sub system. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice.
Not as hot as it was last year, though. Thank God. Yeah, it was nasty. We were up on that. Back over here last year. No, we were brought by the group last year with the Forester, the 218s, and it was just brutal. And the year before was even worse.
What's up, man?
Early the year before. This is my third year here.
This is our 4th year at Sundown. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, the last one you did was my Forester, my right-hand drive Forester with the 610s.
I remember the 610s, yeah. Is this the same vehicle?
Now, different deal.
Okay.
Smaller.
Okay, yeah. I like your seats. Oh, they're solid.
Leftover spare parts.
It actually helps so you don't have it crammed up as much by having that. Wow, this box is really onto the edge of the brim of the B-pillar.
Build it in the box. Build it in the car.
Wow, I like that. Did you build this?
Yes.
Nice.
Me and a couple guys at the shop.
That's a really unique way to do the box. I'm just seeing the craftsman of all the chamfers and angles. Wow. So your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Mike, Team Still Louder, 2 EM audio, or correction, 3 EM audio, Team 18s, prototypes, sold 12K, Def Bonds mids and highs on 1000x4 and a 200.4 on the tweeters, 0.33.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Well, Salt 12 is already at half ohm, so it's wired down to 0.66.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Wow. Any SPL tests?
Roughly 158s before I started actually breaking it in.
How do you notice a difference? This is very odd because different subs, but going from a 10 to an 18.
The 610s was loud. This, I never sound dead in that car either. This one's fully foamed. Sound.
Okay. Yeah, I see everything is sealed. Yeah.
So it's even the doors have the back doors. The windows don't roll down.
Okay.
So they're completely foamed up.
Yeah.
It's pretty nasty.
All right. Awesome.
Let's see if I can find something here.
And you inverted this one so you could just see the motor beauty, or space, or what was that?
Space.
Okay.
Second set of measurements, they ended up being smaller, so instead of, it was originally designed for all 3 to be in.
Okay.
So we inverted the third one, it made up for the magnet space.
Okay. Got it. All right. Awesome. Let's go. Yeah, these are really beefy subs and the pressure on them, man. Yeah, for a triple sub system. I really like the layout and everything and all the cab working. So, yeah, congrats.
Appreciate it.
And I'm sure you're happy with it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Still breaking them in.
Oh, they're still loosening up?
Yeah, they're still pretty stiff.
Yeah. You got them a little warm for that. Nice. Wow. So these are, what are they rated at? If you had an RMS on, like 5,000 or?
Probably 5 to 6.
5 to 6, yeah. Have you clamped in on it just to see?
Not yet.
Yeah. These are prototypes. So are they 4-inch coils?
4-inch.
Okay. It's got a lot to throw with that sub motor. Yeah. It feels like it's punching you a little bit. Nice job, man. Wow. That's got. Yeah, these are really beefy subs and the pressure on them, man. Yeah, for a triple sub system, you did a good job. I appreciate the demo. Nice job. I really like the layout and everything and all the cab working. So yeah, congrats.
Appreciate it.
And I'm sure you're happy with it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Still breaking them in.
Oh, they're still loosening up.
Yeah, they're still pretty stiff.
Yeah. You got them a little warm for that. Nice. Wow. So these are, what are they rated at? If you had an RMS on it, like 5,000 or
Probably 5 to 6.
5 to 6, yeah.
Appreciate it, Mark.
Thank you. Nice job.